after joining in, committing in 1 month to the group. It was a 2-1 originally, 800 square feet. I purchased it for $59K, rehab was $60. Scope of work was, value added. I added a bathroom, redid the kitchen, new HVAC, little knickknacks here and there, paint, interior, exterior, as well as drywall. My range was 140 to 160, but I actually came out appraised at 170. And I spoke about multi-value and what you did pull out. I actually was able to pull out a good amount of money. The one below is my second property. It's not my second property, this is maybe like midway in. I bought this. This is, so the first one is in a C neighborhood, cash flows, as well as this is in north of the river, so it's more so a neighborhood. Duplex, 700 each unit. I bought it for 140. There was no rehab because there's tenants in place, so a hybrid where rent, and then after comes rehab. So I was all in at 140. It appraised at 170, so I was a little negative. But the plus side to it is it's already performing, it's cash flowing. I'm making $1,600 a month, so I can't complain about that. There's not all deals that's going to be home runs, and that's what I'm trying to get. My point is, you're gonna sit back, you're gonna wait, you're gonna scratch, twiddle your thumbs, look at the deal. I'm gonna do it, I'm not gonna do it.